Mario Pezzotti, University of Verona. I'm a plant geneticist, and the focus of my talk was based on the grapevine genomics and the study of genotype-environment interaction. In the first part, my talk was based on the explanation of the phenotypic plasticity and what is the role of phenotypic plasticity in plant and why phenotypic plasticity is so important in grapevine. In grapevine, phenotypic plasticity has the importance of giving different phenotypes by growing the same genotypes. So the same genotypes grown in different environments can give to different phenotypes, and these different phenotypes can affect the quality of the berries and the quality of the subsequent wine. For this reason, we started to study at the genomic level the phenotypic plasticity by studying the transcriptomic of the berry ripening process, and we focus on 11 different farms on the Veronese area in which one single clone was grown in the farms. What we discovered by analyzing 3 different years of sampling, that the vintage has a much more important on the variability of the transcriptomes of the berry, and that's explaining the meaning of the vintage effect on the wine. Then we move on understanding the genotype-environment interaction by using 2 different genotypes. One was Cabernet Sauvignon and the other one was Sangiovese in 3 different locations in Italy. And what we found was that the vintage effect has again a huge importance. Then the area is important, and then the interaction between the area and the genotype. So the genotype environment, this section brought us to understanding that there are genes that are genotypes, genes that are related to the process, so the stage, developmental stage genes, which are very important on the development of the fruit in the plants, and also genes that are interacting with the environment. Those genes are mostly related with resistant genes and the secondary metabolites. And this makes the grapes a model species to understand the genotype-environment interaction, which could be in the future one of the most important topics, understanding climate changing and plant adaptation.